Hello, I just wanted to post a review for the PopBabies personal blender. I received this product. I was really excited about this product. I was able to use it and I would make my protein shakes in the morning with it. I would just use chocolate protein, peanut butter, half of a banana, and some Greek yogurt. So very simple recipe. And I was really excited when it came, and I was using it, but only about 10 times, and then it quit working. So I tried to contact customer service. You get a link to their website, but the URL is invalid. And then there's also a phone number for customer service, and unfortunately it is disconnected. I went on to customer support on Amazon, and they just have a troubleshooting video. So unfortunately, though, the troubleshooting video did not help me. It basically told me it needed to be charged, maybe add more liquid, maybe add less liquid, anything like that. But so like I said, I used it about 10 times and it quit working. I'll show you what it's doing. So I added a little bit of liquid just for reference. And you add your ingredients in here. Again, do not add large chunks of fruit or anything, or ice. I did not do that. Like I said, that recipe was the only one I was using in this. You go ahead and hit this button. It's supposed to turn on, and it won't turn on. So if it were, this is fully charged. If it weren't charged, this would glow red. The light would be red, but blue means it's supposed to be working, and it just isn't working. So I'm really bummed about this because I wanted a portable blender. I wanted to be able to take my my smoothies with me on the go. So yeah, I can't recommend this product. And unfortunately, if they had better customer service, I might recommend it, but they don't. So yeah, just beware if you end up getting this product. It may not last very long.